Hi, my name is Celeste Rosbach, and a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Oxnard, California, so it's about 3.5 hours north of San Diego, between Malibu and Santa Barbara on the coast. Um, I am an only child, so I grew up with my mom, just me and her, and she really instilled in me at a very young age how important education is, especially because coming from Mexico, she was born in Mexico and she moved out here when she was around 7 years old, and she missed various grades in her education, so she had a lot of educational gaps growing up. And also, she struggled learning English as well. Since she came here, she only spoke Spanish, and so yeah, she really took education seriously, and unfortunately, because of financial obligations, she wasn't able to go to college after high school. She had the grades, but the money just wasn't there. She needed to work to support her family, so she really pushed me at a very young age to get an education and go to higher education and really take it seriously. So when I was little, ever since I was little, I always wanted to be a teacher. I really feel like she inspired that in me, because my mom was always very supportive in everything that I wanted to do, like whether it be school, sports, just anything. So I really feel like she motivated me to want to become a teacher. So a little bit about work and professional experiences in education and other fields. In my undergrad, I worked all 4 years in various part-time jobs, some like secretary jobs, and another I was a tutor. I was a writing and social science tutor at SDSU's EOP office, and that really helped me gain experience working with a bunch of different students from various backgrounds. Um, and I really enjoyed that experience a lot. And to this day, I still keep in contact with people who are in EOP, and I have friends who are in EOP as well at SDSU, and I really feel like that's an awesome program at San Diego State. In addition, my current teaching assignment, I am at La Mesa Arts Academy here in La Mesa, and I am student teaching an eighth grade U.S. history and geography class, and it's amazing. I love it. And yeah, so a little bit more about my reasons for joining the teaching profession, in addition to my mom. I just feel like growing up, my teachers were like my role models in a sense. I always looked up to them, and especially one teacher in particular in high school. He was my English teacher my freshman year, and he was also my golf coach. And he just really motivated me to be a teacher. And I also look forward to adding an authorization in English so that I am able to teach social science and English in the future. And yeah, thank you for listening.